all for the 305. 364, we live. Dade County, my city, my home. Vibing and juking and in my zone. I'm from the bottom of the map. If you slip down, here's the rap. My city multicultural. Even though we act bipolar. Americans, Spanish, Haitians, Jamaicans, Bahamians, Arabs, Indians, and Asians. Candy paint on the donk. Trunk full of funk, big Cuban link chunk. Home of the sunshine, where the women down here be too fine. You could go anywhere in the world, but it ain't no city that's like mine.